The growing popularity of treasure hunting, beachcombing, and outdoor exploration has driven strong demand for affordable metal detectors among hobbyists of all ages. From curious beginners to weekend adventurers, today's users want easy-to-use detectors that deliver reliable performance without a high price tag. Product number 1. Metal detector for adults/kids. The metal detector for adults/kids is designed as a versatile entry-level option that works equally well for beginners, families, and casual hobbyists. Its biggest strength lies in its simplicity. The control panel is intuitive, allowing users to quickly adjust sensitivity and discrimination settings without feeling overwhelmed. This makes it an excellent choice for children learning the basics, while still offering enough functionality to keep adults engaged. In terms of performance, the detector provides reliable detection for common metals such as coins, jewelry, and small relics. The sensitivity level is well balanced, helping reduce false signals while still picking up buried targets at reasonable depths. For backyard hunts, parks, and dry sand beaches, it performs consistently and predictably. Build quality is another highlight. The lightweight construction and adjustable shaft allow both kids and adults to use it comfortably for extended periods. The ergonomic handle and armrest reduce fatigue, which is especially important for younger users. Many models in this category also feature a waterproof search coil, adding flexibility for shallow water or wet ground exploration. Product number 2. Metal detector for adults. The metal detector for adults is aimed at users who want better depth, accuracy, and control compared to basic beginner models. It typically features multiple search modes, allowing users to customize detection for coins, relics, jewelry, or all-metal scanning. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of environments, from parks and fields to beaches. Performance-wise, this detector offers improved sensitivity and discrimination, helping users distinguish between valuable targets and unwanted trash. The enhanced depth capability allows it to detect items buried deeper underground, making treasure hunts more rewarding and efficient. Audio feedback is usually clearer and more responsive, which experienced users will appreciate. Build quality is sturdy and well-balanced. The adjustable stem accommodates different heights, while the potted armrest and comfortable grip make longer search sessions easier. Many adult-focused detectors also include an LCD display that shows target type, depth, and battery status, giving users more confidence when digging. Product number 3. Metal detector. A standard metal detector in this category is often designed as a general-purpose solution, suitable for beginners and intermediate users alike. Its main appeal lies in versatility, offering a mix of essential features without focusing too heavily on one specific user group. This makes it a popular choice for casual treasure hunters. Detection performance is dependable for everyday use. It can locate coins, small metal objects, and jewelry with reasonable accuracy. While it may not match professional-grade detectors in depth, it performs well in common environments such as gardens, parks, and open fields. Adjustable sensitivity helps reduce interference and false alarms. The design is usually lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry during outdoor trips. An adjustable shaft ensures a comfortable fit, and the controls are typically simple enough for quick learning. Some models include basic visual indicators or audio tones to help identify targets. Product number 4. Metal detector pinpointing. The metal detector with pinpointing feature is designed for greater accuracy and efficiency during recovery. Pinpointing allows users to precisely locate the position of a detected object, reducing digging time and minimizing disturbance to the ground. This feature is especially useful for serious hobbyists and frequent users. In terms of performance, pinpointing significantly improves target identification. Once a signal is detected, the pinpoint mode helps narrow down the exact location, making it easier to retrieve coins, rings, or relics. This is particularly beneficial in areas with high trash density, where precision matters. Build quality is generally robust, as these detectors are often used more intensively. The controls are slightly more advanced but still user-friendly, with clear audio cues and visual indicators. The ergonomic design supports extended use without excessive fatigue. Product number 5. GoGo Nova Metal Detector. The GoGo Nova Metal Detector stands out as a budget-friendly yet capable option for beginners and intermediate users. Known for its solid construction and straightforward design, it's well suited for those who want reliable performance without a premium price. Detection accuracy is one of its strengths. The GoGo Nova detector can identify a range of metals, including coins, jewelry, and small artifacts with consistent sensitivity. Adjustable settings allow users to fine-tune performance based on ground conditions, helping reduce false signals. Comfort and usability are well thought out. The lightweight frame, adjustable shaft, and ergonomic handle make it easy to use for long sessions. A clear display and simple controls ensure quick learning, even for first-time users.